Let's look at some new words that are related to the lymphatic system. If at any point you need to hit pause to make sure that you are breaking them down and then coming to work with us on the solutions, I think that is the best method to learn medical terminology because it tests yourself rather than relying on us. Up is lymphocyte. Lymphocyte. Again, hit pause if you need more time than we're giving. Okay, and the term lymphocyte, there is no prefix. The root term here is lympho, which literally breaks down to lymph fluid, or all of that fluid that floats through the lymph capillaries. The suffix here is cyte, which refers to cell, and we've seen this through several units. So a lymphocyte is a cell that is found inside the lymph system. It helps to sort of look for foreign objects and take them out before they become a problem. Let's try another term. Next up is the term pollution. Pollution. Hit pause if you need to. So I don't cough. All right, pollution has no prefix. The root term here is new for this unit. It is polluto, which refers to making something unclean. And the suffix ion refers to an action of. So the term pollution refers to an action of making something unclean. Let's try another word. Next up is the term angioedema. Angioedema. See if you can tell me what this one means. Okay, in the term angioedema, we do not have a prefix. We do have a root term angio, which refers to vessels or blood vessels. And the suffix edema here refers to swelling. So angioedema is swelling in the vessels. It could be the lymph vessels, could be the blood vessels. Okay, either way, we do not want swelling in any of our vessels. Let's try another term. Antiseptic is the next term. Antiseptic. You may have heard this term before, but let's see if you can break down its exact meaning. All right, the prefix here is anti, which means against. The root term is sepso or septo. Either one would mean the same thing, which refers to an infection. And our suffix ic refers to pertaining to. So an antiseptic is something that works against infections, or it's an agent that helps to reduce infections. Let's try another term. Next up is the word septicemia. Septicemia. Okay, we don't have a prefix in this case, but we do have the root term septo, which refers to an infection. In emia, I know there's an extra C that is for pronunciation. It doesn't change the meanings of the portions just to make it a little bit easier to pronounce. But the emia portion of the suffix here refers to a blood condition. So septicemia is a blood condition with an infection. If you wanted to say it in a little bit better flowing English, we would say an infection inside the bloodstream so that it's actually floating through the bloodstream itself. All right, how did you do on these words? I know by this point in Unit 15, you're absolutely acing these and you're doing a wonderful job.